In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Grammarly on PC step by step so you can get it installed quickly and start using it right away. Grammarly is a great tool for improving your writing, catching spelling mistakes, fixing grammar, and making your messages and documents look more professional. Whether you're using it for school, work, emails, or everyday writing, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is the official Grammarly desktop download page, and it's the safest place to get the installer. Once the page loads, you'll see a green button that says Get Grammarly. It's free. Go ahead and click that button to begin downloading the Grammarly installer file to your computer. The file will usually be named grammarlyinstaller.exe and it should start downloading right away. After the download finishes, locate the installer file in your downloads folder or in the downloads bar at the bottom of your browser. Double-click the file to run the setup. At this point, Windows may ask you for permission to let the app make changes to your device. If you see that prompt, click Yes to continue. The setup will only take a few seconds to unpack and launch, so just wait while Grammarly prepares the installation. Once the installer completes, Grammarly should open automatically. If it does, you'll see a sign-in screen asking you to log in. Click Sign In to existing account if you already have a Grammarly account, or create a new one if this is your first time using the app. This will open a browser tab where you can finish the login process. Sign in with your email, Google account, or any other supported option, then return to the Grammarly app after activation. When you're signed in, Grammarly will activate on your PC. You'll know it's working because the floating Grammarly widget will appear whenever you type in supported apps like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Discord, or Notepad. From there, Grammarly can start helping you write more clearly and confidently by showing suggestions as you type. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Grammarly on your PC. The process is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly, and now you're ready to use Grammarly to improve your writing across your favorite apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.